Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to a few stores just to look around what they have for Christmas. I don't go all out for Christmas or any holiday decorations. I like to use staple pieces. Sometimes I switch it up year to year. I prefer like the traditional colors, but I also like the soft gold, white, and like silver colors as well. So it just really depends what I am feeling for the year. I don't have many ideas for this year yet, but I wanted to stop by Target, TJ Maxx, maybe Hobby Lobby, and just to see what they have and pick up a few pieces. But like I said, I am minimal with my decorating, so I'm not going all out. We also do a live Christmas tree, a real Christmas tree every single year. We cut it down either on Black Friday or the day after Black Friday, whichever farm opens whatever day. So for now, just picking up some basic decor pieces and taking you guys along just to see what Target and all these stores have. So come along.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy. But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter? stars shine much brighter? Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Okay, so just got out of Target. I was a little bit disappointed. They did not have a lot of things out. They are starting to put things out, but there's just not much. It's probably because they're so short-staffed, but I thought there would be a lot more. So we're gonna go to TJ Maxx next, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna have all of their Christmas stuff out. They usually do every year. But I'm excited to look through their stuff because it's just different every year depending on what they get, versus Target seems to kind of rotate their stuff, I feel like. But yes, so we're going to go to TJ Maxx, and if we have time, maybe Hobby Lobby. But because I'm not getting everything new this year, and like I said, I do minimal decorating, I'm not looking for a lot of things. I got a few things at Target, and I'll show you guys later. But let's go to TJ Maxx.
Warm inside, already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
Snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together, and that we can find a
Okay, so just got done at TJ Maxx, and like I said, I was pretty happy with their selection. Every single shelf and aisle that's seasonal is full with Christmas things. They do have a little bit of like fall and Halloween stuff left over on sale, but they have so much selection for Christmas and winter stuff. I am pretty excited about everything that I got. I picked up a few things that I needed, but I forgot that I needed. So I'll show you guys. Stay tuned for the video of the haul next. Okay, so now we can go over everything that I bought, kind of like a quick haul. I didn't buy a lot, like I said. I do minimal decorating, so I just like staple pieces. So we'll go through Target since I didn't buy a lot there. So one bag. So I actually only bought stuff for my kid. He has a little Christmas tree that he puts, well, we decorate together, and he picks out his ornaments. He likes cars and motorcycles and things like that. So I thought this would be fun to add to his collection. It's a little motorcycle like this. And this was $3. Super cute. And then I got him, we already opened it, so that's all from Target. Just 3 items. I got this. It was in the $1, like the $1, $3, $5 section, and this was actually for Christmas. Like the packaging was Christmas themed, and this is like a little wooden vehicle set. The wheels spin on it. So there's a fire truck, a police car, and an ambulance. So that was $3 as well. And then I got him this holiday dough kit, Play-Doh, also $3. I thought this would be fun to do an art activity together. They have ideas on the back, like a candy cane, mistletoe, snowman, reindeer, and they have all the colors. So there's 8 colors. That's all from Target. TJ Maxx, there's so many cute things. I just wanted to get so much more, but I just know I don't need it. So I only got things I needed. I don't have any placemats, so I was in between going just neutral placemats that we can use year-round, but I decided to get these holiday ones, and they're set of 4. We have a round table with 4 chairs, so this is gonna be perfect. This was $12.99, and they're just thick fabric placemats. And they have cute little glittery, shiny gold, I guess rose gold trees, and then some different colors, gray. I thought this was really cute since our house is kind of like brown and gray neutral tones. Then I got a few kitchen towels because that's like one thing that I want to get every single season for holidays. I like holiday and just the hand towels that go in the kitchen. So I got a pack of 2 for $6.99, and this is just pretty green trees with reindeer. And the other one is also a pack of 2 for $6.99, and they're both by this brand Aspen, and they're just this color with trees. So those are really cute. And that is, I think that is actually all that I got. I got a few baby things. I guess I can show if you want me to. Just got a little hat, a little Honest brand onesie, and a little Emily and Oliver organic cotton onesie. So that is all for my haul. I will be doing a decorate with me soon, and I'm so excited for that. I'm just slowly going to start decorating for the holidays. Thanksgiving is in what, like 3.5 weeks or so. So I'm just super excited for the holidays and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me, and maybe you'll find some extra things at your Targets since ours was just so empty this year. It feels like last few years they would have you know, Christmas things way before Halloween, but not this year. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Bye.